Hey, what's up, Tron holder? It's a really nice and very good update, my brother, for you especially. Definitely, my friend, you can see here this time all crypto market is very badly dumbs down, but definitely, my friend, you can see here this time. You can see here the last 24-hour chart. So this you can see 0.24% they are my friends take a profit. So that's a really good now, and absolutely, my friends, the team is doing very hard work. So therefore the coin is moving upward now. Otherwise all cryptocurrencies were very badly dips down, and not coin, my friend, is comfortable this time. Absolutely very badly fails down. So try to understand, please, if you are so stable go now. So I hope, my brother, your coin is completely moving up for now, and they will give you a very good profit now. So kindly don't miss this chance. I hope, my brothers, they will move up for now, and they will give you a very good profit. So this time, if you can see, my brother, the chart results. So this chart is completely show you to the coin is moving up for now, but this is just in only last 24-hour chart. So I just, my friend, give you advice. So please don't see, my friend, this chart. I hope, my brother, in upcoming time, my friend, there is a lot of chances, my friends, so they will move upward. And definitely the holders are starting doing very huge mistake, and those especially. And I already noted, my friend, in my previous video, I a lot of people, my friends, commenting us to we are the coin is fails down, we are going to sell it, we are going to sell it. But my brother, I ignore everyone, because that's all is doing very huge mistake. And remember, this is not a financial video. If someone tell me to you just only, my friend, promote for doing this all, my friends, talking this all just only for promotion. So remember, this is not a promo video. I just advise you, kindly understand now. So my brother, I just personally share my experience. So kindly, please, before you take any decision, you need to research personally. Definitely it's better to you research personally, and after that you take any decision. So that's very good, my friend, for you now. So just only listen my advice, guys. All right, so my advice is that simply, my brother, I personally 3 year experience. So I doing this, I use this formula to after fails, when I see my friends to they will fails down. So therefore definitely, my friend, they will take a jump now. Everybody know this, to after a sale people are starting buying, definitely. But after a buying, people are starting selling. And especially, my friend, one thing I want to tell you, to in the last 10 days of my friend, every month, all cryptocurrencies, my friends, they will moving upward now. Definitely, it's not matter, my brothers, to this coin is good, it's not matter, my friends, to this coin is bad, but just in only that's matter, my brothers, in the crypto market. If a crypto market is comfortable, so that's, my friend, that is absolutely, my friend, is moving upward. But if craft market is not comfortable, so there is no chance to the wild coin, especially for example in those days Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, this for this type of currencies is also feels down. So try to understand, to if market is comfortable, so therefore a lot of the very bad coin, my friend, is starting moving upward now. So try to understand. All right, and no coin, my friend, is bad, my friend. Every coin is very good, and all team is doing very hard works for any currency, my friends, so they will move upward now. Definitely, my friend, in those days a lot of currencies is in completely in the trending. For example, my friends, BitTorrent is in China, my friend, very fastly moving upward. And China, this is completely trending now. And for example, my friend, this time Shiba Inu, my friend, Shiba Inu in UK completely and the trending now. And this time, if you can, sorry, USA, my brother. And this time, if you can see your Dogecoin, oh my goodness, UK absolutely completely trend now. And definitely, my friend, in last month, my friend, they are completely the trending number 1 on Twitter now. So absolutely, this is very good popularity, my brother. And all holders, especially after Elon Musk promotion, the coin is going the moon now. So why you miss this opportunity to take a risk and absolutely take a very good profit now? Take a risk, and definitely risk is my friend, absolutely you need to take a risk now. So hope, my brother, you will not doing this mistake, and try to understand the crypto market, and especially this time, because, my brother, Tron, I just suggest for everyone, my brothers, to they recommend you, my brothers, to good time, my friends, to you hold and invest now. So thanks for watching. Please remember, I want to talk you the reality. So hope you understand now, this is absolutely real now. Every talk when I talk, you please understand, please. Otherwise, I'm saying you lost and you are completely lost and you are stop working. So hope you understand. Kindly like this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more this type of informative and guide these videos. Allah Hafiz, take care.